Hello, welcome to Cantonese. In this lesson, I have prepared a pun, a joke for you to surprise the Hong Kong people. Whenever Hong Kong people ask you, "Do you know Cantonese?" 你識唔識廣東話? And you can answer them with this sentence. I don't know any Cantonese at all. And they will be so shocked, so surprised, and they will laugh with you and will be so happy to chat more with you. In this Lego sentence builder series, I will be teaching you words and you can combine it into sentences. That is very useful. And all you need to do is to answer my questions by speaking out loud. Let's go. Let's do some revision first. How to say I. I is use your nose sound. Ngọ. Repeat after me. Ngọ. Right. How to say Cantonese? Right. 廣東話. Repeat after me. 廣東話. Good. So now I teach you something new. How to say I know something. I know. How to say I know? Know in Cantonese is "識." Repeat after me. "識." Again. "識." Good. How to say I know then? Try. Right. It's 我識. Repeat after me. 我識. Good. Again. 我識. Good. Then how to say I don't know? In Cantonese, don't is or generally not is like this. Repeat after me. Good. So how to say I don't know? How to say don't know? Don't know is 唔識. 唔識. Repeat after me. 唔識. Good. Then how to say I don't know is yes. 我唔識. 我唔識. Repeat after me. 我唔識. Good. Again. 我唔識. Good. Then how to say Cantonese again? Right. 廣東話. 廣東話. Repeat after me. 廣東話. 廣東話. Okay, so how to say no Cantonese? 識廣東話. 識廣東話. Repeat after me. 識廣東話. Great. So how to say don't know Cantonese? Try it out. Right. 唔識廣東話. 唔識廣東話. Try it out. Right. 唔識廣東話. Good. So how to say I don't know Cantonese? Try it out. Right. Just add 我唔識廣東話. Try it out. Good. 我唔識廣東話. You just learned how to say I don't know Cantonese, but it's not surprising enough. So we need to add the word any Cantonese at all. How to say that at all is that 我完全唔識廣東話。完全 is the word at all. So repeat after me. 完全 Right. 完全 Good. 完全 So now, how to edit in the sentence? You try it out? Right. Is 我完全唔識廣東話。Try it out. 我完全唔識廣東話。Good! Please watch my other videos for more Lego sentence builder videos. See you all later. Bye!